This blush takes my breath away every single time. Cheers! Ah! So I did a short recently that did pretty well for me. It seemed like people really enjoyed the makeup look, and I wanted to do the look in a full-length video because I feel like the people just want to see the mauves. Perfect for fall and winter, and it also just kind of goes with everything. First, I'm going in with my Merit Great Skin Serum. And then following that up with the Merit Great Skin Priming Moisturizer. Damn, I love this primer. It is so hydrating and it makes my skin look amazing. And today I'm going to be using the Say Glowy Super Skin Foundation. This is in the shade 7. And I know that looks kind of deep right there, but it's interesting. When this goes on the skin, it actually kind of lightens. No, I'm noticing that the last couple days I'm having like particularly good skin days. It's my LED mask. Like, I've just been going a lot harder with that. I've been being more consistent with it and using it between like 30 and 40 minutes. And guys, it makes the biggest difference. I can't even tell you. I mean, you can see there's just like a next levelness to the skin when I use that mask. The Say foundation is so gorgeous. And now I'm going in with the Tower 28 concealer. So I'm gonna set my face with the Tower 28 powder, but I just have to say, while I think this is a good powder, I've decided it's not nearly as good as the LYS powder. I'm definitely gonna be picking up another one of those. It is the closest thing I've found, the closest pro-choice pressed powder I've found to the Charlotte Tilbury powder. I don't love that this is kind of like broken. Going in with my Jones Road. Speaking of broken, this has actually never happened to my Jones Road powder bronzer, but I managed to break this as well. Maybe I'm the problem, actually, is what I'm realizing. I know this is like the only powder bronzer I use, but it really is just such a beautiful shade of bronzer. Now I'm gonna go into my Merit Brow Gel. This is in the shade Dark Brown. I am gonna go in with Studio. I know, it's like the only eyeshadow I use, but I'm gonna do something a little more to it today. There is Studio. Studio is described as a cool taupe. And now I'm gonna go in with my MAC Mineralize Skinfinish in Soft and Gentle. She's still so good. And I'm just gonna tap that on top of Merit Studio because I want kind of like a soft, sexy cashmere finish on this. And then just take it all the way up to the brow bone. Now I'm just gonna line my eyes with the Jones Road eyeliner. This is just in the shade Brown. Sometimes I don't include the lash curling step on camera, but I probably should because it is integral. It's actually something I've always done. I mean, my mom always used to use a lash curler, so it was always just like a normal step in makeup to me. I never even questioned, but it really, really does help, especially because, you know, I don't have like naturally curly lashes. Going in with my Ilia mascara. So we are deep in the heart of our, you know, spooky movie watching, of course. And I have a horror movie recommendation. Now, it's not going to be for everyone. I feel like horror movies can be very divisive. Like, everyone's scared by very different things. And the other night we watched Immaculate with Sydney Sweeney. Guys, I thought it was a really good horror movie. I mean, was it perfect? No, absolutely not. But it was super suspenseful. It's set in this super creepy old ass nunnery in the Italian countryside. And it has all these creepy catacombs underneath. Like, the vibes are, well, immaculate. I also love the very intense through line of the story about women's bodily autonomy. Totally here for that. I was just really, really impressed with Sydney Sweeney's performance, and that girl is made for horror. Just her facial expressions, her giant eyes, like, I really felt for her character, and I feel like that's often missing in horror movies for me. I find that oftentimes when I watch horror, I don't really care about the characters. For what it was, I thought it was excellent. So if you're looking for a scary movie to watch, maybe consider that. Okay, so now we're getting to the actual mauve part of the video. So we're going in with, in my opinion, one of the most perfect mauve blushes I've ever seen. This is Rhode in Sleepy Girl. This blush takes my breath away every single time. And then we're also gonna use this on our lips. So there's Sleepy Girl on the lips. That's not all we're doing to the lips. Oh, no, no, no. Now I'm going in with the Fenty Gloss Bomb in the shade Riri. Oh, great. Well, I just broke my entire Tower 28 powder on the floor. Guess I will be getting a new LYS sooner than I thought. I love the shade of the Gloss Bomb so much. And then I'm going in with one of my other favorite blush shades of all time, which is Stockholm from Merit. And I like to put her right in the money spot, right on the apple, very high. I know this is a little out of order, but I don't care. I'm gonna just line my lips so they look extra big. Okay guys, and there is the finished mauve look. I really love the combination of this cheek with this lip. I'm loving the monochromaticness. And I never really wear my glasses on my channel, but I really feel like this look is not complete without my tortoiseshell glasses. I mean, am I wrong? These are literally my favorite glasses of all time, and I'm like holding onto them. I've had them for so long, but they don't make this exact style anymore. These are from Bond Look, and I'm always looking for like an exact duplicate. I'm go big or go home with animal prints. When I wear an animal print, I try to wear all of them at the same time. Anyway, that wraps up this video, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. As always, you guys are the best. Please stay safe out there, and cheers till next time.